everyone. This is Mrs. Shaw, and today we're going to introduce you to matrix multiplication, which is different than adding and subtracting and scaling matrices. But we do still need to decide if two matrices are able to be multiplied. When can we multiply matrices? We need to know the dimension. So here on our top left here, if we look at the dimensions of these two matrices, this one we know is a 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, and here is a 2 by 3. Okay, 2 rows and 3 columns. Can we multiply these? When they're next to each other, that means multiply. We don't necessarily need the dots. Here we have on the right here, we have a 2 by 3. Can we multiply that here by this 2 by 2? In matrix multiplication, the dimensions matter, and so we're going to show, I'm going to have these already filled out here, what the dimensions of each of these matrices are, and tell you that the ones on the left with the green background, they are able to be multiplied. The ones on the right are not. They're not, the dimensions are not right. Can you recognize a pattern? Look at something that's similar with the ones on the left that does not happen with the ones on the right. Let's see if we can recognize here. We're multiplying a 2 by 2 by a 2 by 3. Can these multiply together? Yes. We'll notice that those are both the same if you look at the inner numbers. The thing about multiplying matrices is order matters. When you multiply two matrices together, you have to have the one on the left and the one on the right. We'll talk more later that you can't switch. A times B is not the same as B times A with matrices. Here over on the right, if you look at this 2 by 3 and this 2 by 2, these are not the same number. They cannot be multiplied. So before you even start trying to multiply matrices, you have to be able to even see if it's an option and if it's possible. So now that we know the ones on the left here, we are able to multiply. It's always great to figure out what the dimension of your answer is going to be. So here we have our 2 by 2, and we're multiplying that by a 2 by 3. Yes, these two are the same, so they can be multiplied. How we determine what the answer, the size of our matrix answer is going to be are our other two numbers. So this matrix, the dimension of the answer after we multiply them is going to be a 2 by 3. All right, let's look at the next one here. Here we have our 2 by 1 multiplied by this 1 by 3. We can see these numbers are the same, so they can be multiplied. And our answer, remember, are the outer two numbers. The answer here is also going to be a 2 by 3. Last one here for our example. Here we have a 1 by 3 multiplied by a 3 by 1. Yes, our numbers in the center are the same. Yes, we can multiply them. And the dimension will be a 1 by 1 as our answer. I hope this helps to get us a start. We will move forward with multiplying on our next assignment, and have a great day.